Today we're gonna be replacing one of the bolts, or whatever you call it, because let me show you. This right here actually broke off like around the middle, and I gotta replace the whole thing. So right now I jacked up the car and about to take the thing off. All right, took out one bolt at this point. All right. Man, these people be looking at me like crazy, like I'm crazy. Like you've never seen somebody work on their own car. Most likely not, but yeah. They think I'm crazy. That's all. That's all. There we go. Just put that under the car real quick. Slide it under for more protection. As you can see, it was very dangerous driving like this without this bolt, and it's held on just by the broken piece, and now I'm about to replace it. Here's what I was thinking. It's actually very hard. I don't know how people do it, but it's very hard recording like this with one hand and they're trying to work with the other. Alrighty guys, here is the plan. The engine's still pretty high. I can still feel the heat. As you can see, it just came straight out. What I'm gonna do is take this whole thing out right here. Hopefully it comes out. I don't know if you guys can see that, but right here it's completely broken. I could try to use the screwdriver to actually poke this out, and I'll catch you guys when I do. Alrighty guys, I actually finally took this piece out. You see, this will not focus. Alright, as you guys can see, the bolt right here is completely destroyed. That's why I got a new one. Guys, I'm gonna quickly slide this bad boy in. That's a little too much, but it's okay. We'll just grab a towel and clean this off right here. Anti-seize might be a very good thing right here for the threads, so that the next time you take it out, it comes out easily and also doesn't come out for vibration and all that kind of good stuff. Alrighty guys, grab this bolt. Everything is actually done, and I'll just torque everything to the right spec. There we go, that's good. Simple repair like this, or simple stuff like this, can be very dangerous if not correctly put together. Right here is very important. This holds your caliper right here, which is the piston, which section right here. But that's about it. Simple install like this can take 10 minutes tops if you're not recording. But that's about it. Putting the wheels on. Of course, I'll tighten it when it's on the ground. There we go. That's it. And I'll just tighten everything up. Video is absolutely all over the place, but sorry about that. Slowly start up the car. And do not move anywhere just yet, just in case. Pump the brakes. 3 more pumps and that's it. Alrighty guys, we do got a problem here. If you guys cannot see, this phone no longer works. The screen does not work, but the internal stuff is pretty much good and everything. And I got the tools here, a little bit of the things, I guess, to help me. I did learn a few tricks. I got the screen itself right here, which I can open with my mouth because I can't use 3 hands. Alrighty, here is the screen itself. They did not have the golden, I guess, screen right here in stock, so I just got the black one because we are gonna get a new phone anyways. I'm gonna try my best to actually replace it and just give you guys a heads up along the way, because I do not have any more storage left in this thing. So here we go. First of all, this is probably the easiest stuff, or the easiest part I can do carefully. Just put this to the side. Is open the back, and all you gotta do is open the back from this right here. And you got to be very careful when you're doing this kind of stuff, and make sure to take out your battery. Got the tools right here, which I'm gonna lay them out for you guys right here. Alrighty, so I'm not sure. It looks to be, yep. And I'm gonna open all these up and show you guys after I'm done. Replaced everything so far. Taken everything out. That's about it. This is the new screen right here. Looks pretty good. This is the old one that I took out. Not the cleanest job, but that's okay.
Alright, so if you can fit through the window. Yes, I can. Hey, yes, I am.
What?
Remember that one time when nobody was at my house?
Fuck. My leg. What happened? What the fuck? What the fuck, nigga? What the fuck? This nigga retarded.